E mā aki e whakaiti e pau koroheke a te ana taua e.
Grew up in Watara, and I grew up with my grandmother at Big Jim's Hill. They call it Big Jim's Hill. It was a place where my grandmother lived, and it's on the way out of Watara. I went to primary school in Watara, and I went to Watara High School.
E tipu mai a Tito I ngā rekereke o tōna tau eke maunga I whaitara I Parihaka.
Because of Mum's contact with Parihaka, and I used to go to visit my father, Massey, koroheke to you, and my mother's name was Parihaka. I suppose I look forward in those songs. I look forward to go to Parihaka because a lot of my cousins and we used to do all the things that young people get up to and play around.
Ka pake ke a Tito ka urua ia ki te ware o te ope taua o Tangaroa.
Ray Tito, NZ 14734, Sir. While I was in Watara, I joined the Navy. I went to Auckland and my time in Auckland was for me a bit, can I say, radical. But after a while, I got used to the rest of what I had to do, and while I was in the service. I went to Antarctica while I was in the service. I served in Hillary. While I was in Antarctica, I helped Ed in Hillary. We built the first hut down there. We built the first hut for other people, or for other people like Sir Edmund Hillary.
Nā mai I te ope taua I wai marie a Tito ki te maitai ki a Sir Edmund Hillary I Antarctica.
He went from here, from Waitara to Wellington. He was transferred to Wellington for 12 months. He had to accept the transfers to get higher within his job. And in 1985, we left Rotorua. He was transferred back to Waitara. And at that time, he had reached the top level of his work and came back and was a supervisor to other members working under him. He was there for 12 months and was made redundant. But to me, he was meant to be made redundant so that he could work within the iwi, and he certainly did. He was on call to everybody, night and day, and we studied together in the Catholic Church for 7 years, and he was able to do karakia and yes, and he was a blessing to his people here in Waitara. He was called on all the time to do ghost busting, and from ghost busting to marriages to burials, tangis, yeah, and he did it all.
Nā te wakawātea mai a Tito I tāna tūranga mai, ka noho ai pau tokotoko I ngākau papatuarea o Taranaki, ai pau kawe ngā tikanga āreo ka mutu ko ia tētehi o ngā pau matua o te ao kapaaka o Te Kāhui Maunga.
The group's name was Ngā Purapura, o te Taihaua a Uru. I was with people I wanted to be with, part of my life and look after me. And they did it. And I say that to this day. What that group done for myself and my wife was something that you never find. Where would you find people that would do something to two people that were strangers, that would take them by the hand and say, look Ray, you're home.
Ko tōna ao Māori e tāuru nei I tōna oranga. Aroha Broughton Pue, te reo te uru.
Ko te reo, te take.